Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Brooks County in deep South Texas until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing large damaging hail up to 2 inches in diameter and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located 9 miles southeast of Ramirez, or 11 miles west of Falfurrias, and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Falfurrias, La Colonia Park, Falfurrias Fire Station, Falfurrias Junior High School, Airport Road Addition, Plaisant Park, Brooks County Airport, Flawala, Hidalgo City Park, Cantu Addition and Brooks County Detention Center. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within the storm. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Intense thunderstorm lines can occasionally produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although not immediately likely, for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant damage to property. The National